like a Brian White. Akagari kweka ndio kalamu. Telepon ya apa? Bukan detik berbagai tempat. Poli?
Rumba.
Sabit.
Kajau dah saya. Sampai dia ni.
Uganda versus Chirumira Brian, Nalunga Daisy, Abaho Daffy, Nakato Nava, Lambalirwa Joyce.
Unaweza kasata Mungu. Ndio kwa clip kali. Wasiwasi amani kidogo.
Ate wajjudde
She was granted bail and she's on the same.
That is what is really documented in my head.
No.
I don't understand. Every time the file is not here, file is
The
what?
file is there. It's actually online.
So Your Honor, because even if I ask for anything right now, it is meaningless. Because if you are telling me about the file, I really see what
The same file that was used when granting her bail is the same file you're charged. You
that
get
one
it?
I'm well versed with, but
And there is no way judge can act without a file. So that proves that the file is there. So it is there. So probably I don't know whether they are going to the right offices. But you need the help of a lawyer. You need a lawyer because on their own I don't think they can handle.
they have one because I had instructed everything. And me have been working on
Which
myself.
advocate are
and,
you using?
I told him that's why I wanted him to be present here to tell me what he's doing. Because really my family is, I don't know how my kids are doing. And we are there stuck, alone, sick.
So
I
you're
can't-
sitting on your own, as Madam also applied?
No. They had to seek for them all day.
No, they also have to apply.
But
That's
also-
why.
That's why I told.
Okay, Brian, it is simple.
Mm.
Just get a lawyer who will have instructions for all of you, okay? Such
So,
that the lawyer can apply for bail
Your Honor,
for all
please.
of you, as opposed to you individually.
Okay.
Mm.
Your Honor, please, I'm requesting kindly to talk to these people because I'm always rushed and I don't get time to talk.
No, it's okay, we are
Yes.
done with court. After here, you're going to have an opportunity to talk to your relatives. When you're done talking to them, then you can be taken back.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, so you will be produced back on the 21st of May at 9 o'clock. We are done, please.
21st May.
Kyo kadanga temuyingira.
Hold on, first hold on. First.
Nerabira yegundi yange.
Ya masao.
Asabye okwogerako n'abafambo.
Ali Brad.
Saya ayogereko n'abafambo. Buli bajja badde bamuwambya bamutwala. Namutagala mukwata.
C'est good guy, is that? It's on you. C'est good guy.
Ali Brad. Right, kamera hizo kuita huko hizi.